Sound familiar? These messages are everywhere, and they're wrong. Motivation isn't a switch you flip. It's a system of energy, safety, and regulation. And when you're burned out, that system collapses. When your brain perceives threat, overload, or exhaustion, it shuts down non-essential functions, including initiation. You're not unmotivated. You're in survival mode. Once I stopped chasing motivation and started building safety, things shifted. Motivation isn't missing. It's waiting for safety. Download the Motivation Myth Toolkit. Join our support hub at Spectrum Life. And remember, burnout isn't failure. Recovery is your right.